गोव्याची विधानसभा निवडणूक जवळ येत असून काही बिगर सरकारी संघटनांनी मतदारांचा सर्व्हे सुरू केला आहे. गेल्या निवडणुकीत फोक नावाच्या संघटनेने अशा प्रकारचा सर्व्हे केला होता. असाच सर्व्हे यावेळी अद्वैत तीर्थ अर्थात अट्टा या संघटनेने केला असून याचा पहिला अहवाल 13 ऑगस्ट रोजी जनतेसमोर मांडणार आहे.
The Goan election, if you take it from the perspective right from 1963 till date, it has voted in a different sense altogether. If you take across nation, it votes on a different planet. Here it is a different way. If you have a Congress government at the center, here there was a BJP government in 2012. Even in 1963, when there was a Congress government at the center, we have a MGP government. So the pattern voting trend always had changed all this while. There is a growth in electorate. There is a sizable amount of understanding which has gone in terms of voting pattern. New voters are coming on board. So the whole idea was to get into the survey with 40 constituencies, wherein we selected 500 families per constituency. That was the first understanding. 500 families per constituency, in the sense we could get the total voter understanding. Right from when you are in the family, you understand the voter sentiment much better, because the young audience is also there. The whole idea is about when you are going into the ecosystem of understanding the youth feelings. When you grow up older and when you are out of the job, what next? So that is also the understanding which we wanted to get. And this survey was not only conducted on the single parameter of only politics as voter sentiments, but it was also conducted on the social parameters. So the social parameters goes on the second part of it. We are not releasing it right now because it will confuse the whole system of voter intelligence plus the social parameter. Part A will release on 13th August. Part 2 will release in the second week of September, after the Chaturthi is over, so that we get ample amount of time to tabulate and go more deep into the research and market research and do tabulations out of it.